Alright, what's up? It's Confined Yeti here with a quick and easy guide to Crash vs. Rain. Just something anybody could do, you know. Also, we're using our friend the Imp here. I would like to think that I have a decently... I don't need artifacts on for this. Anyway, I would like to think I have a decently beefy computer, so, you know, it might be quite the challenge. No, I'm joking. I did this before on stream and while recording it, and then I lost my recording and it made me sad. So now I'm gonna have to torture Risk of Rain again. Look what you've made me do, OBS. Look what you've made me do. My computer is just screaming in protest. It already knows what's about to happen. Alright, step 1. Get the cracked orb mod and the Risk of Rain cheats mod. Step 2. Find the cracked orb. This one's gonna take a second. Step 3. Wait, does it work if I spawn by 10s? No. Step 3. Spawn the cracked orb. You can spam it however much you like. I need to get an auto clicker so I can do this easier. Now you'll notice Risk of Rain will slow down when you unpause the game. Excuse me, sipping my apple juice. Anyway, you'll notice Risk of Rain will slow down when you unpause the game to actually claim your items. Don't worry, it won't crash. I've tried it. No matter how much you go, it will never. Oh, what's this one over here? Oh, whatever. Hey, hold on, if I click self, does it just give it to me? Whatever, I'll check. It does, that's neat. So I could have just been spamming self and avoided the actual lag of picking it up. Oh, wow, good to know. Anyway, so if you'll notice, in a second I'll just demonstrate what it does. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it. I love just seeing so many lunars all over the floor, you know, it's just a great feeling just to pick them all up. You know, the loot goblin personally loves the smell of fresh loot in the morning. So, you know, my daily rituals, I just kind of get on, spawn some fat loot when my game crashes. I don't know about you guys, but if you want to be a pro goblin, you always spawn in extra loot. And that's what the cracked orb does. It's a pretty nice thing, you know, pretty neat. I just figured out I could have been avoiding the lag by just kind of spamming self instead of spamming, you know, the actual item. I might get some soldier syringes soon. Now, when you get enough of these, you can crash your game with one click. I won't go that far because it took me like 30 minutes of just tapping on the stream, but just know it can happen. And then this is what my M2 looks like. Beautiful, ain't it? Thumbnail material right there. Oh, turn off the notifications. There you go. Anyway, now more cracked orbs. This is why I paused the game. This right there. That's why I paused the game. Because that would happen. Now notice just one thing. If anything so much as sneezes on me, I am dead. I'm gone. I don't exist anymore. Because the thing about this, even though you can use it to crash the game, as you can see, there's a chance that anything you hit will double its attacks against you as well. Meaning I'll take 300 or 464 times the amount of damage. It's okay though, because I'm trying to crash the game right now. I'm not trying to fight anything. I just had a funny little idea. I'm gonna test it out in a second. I didn't do this on stream, so this is just for my YouTube as well. Where is the soldier syringe? I did do the soldier syringe on stream, but that's not what I'm talking about. Come on. Get just a tiny bit of attack speed, tiny bit. Half of this is just mindless clicking. I want everybody to know that. Just boom, 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 boom. Spam the click. Spam the click. Of course I forget to set up my face cam. Of course. Man. Oh wow, this bundle of fire works. I didn't want that. I'm feeling a little special, bro. I forgot to set up my face cam. No face cam for you guys today, I guess. And as you can see, we're doing pretty decent already. Now, I'm not one to brag, but this looks like a pretty decent amount, you know? We're not even done yet. I'm out of apple juice. We just gotta wait for all these to go away so I'll stop lagging. There you go. All at once. That was pretty neat, eh? Now the equipment menu. I know what I'm looking for. Now the overloading makes it easy to crash the game, but that's not what I'm looking for. Disposable. There you go, because I just want to see what all those missiles would do to the game. The game handles that pretty well. Now, what if I step it up a notch? I can get what I need just from this thing. Whoa. Ow, my eyes. Please stop it. Just trying to refresh the shop. It's not even working. Do I have to spawn in everything myself? There you go. Never mind. That's what I wanted. Is it actually even refreshing? Yeah, it is. Okay. What I'm looking for is... No, not that. Can I get another gesture of the ground, please? I don't want to have to look for it. Come on, I'm too lazy to go look for it. You can't make me do this. Alright. If I don't get another gesture in this spin right here, I will go and do it myself. This one. Okay, fine. I'll go do it. I made a separate category for lunars. Spawn menu. I already forgot the name. Are you kidding me? I'll know it when I see it, I'm sure. It is called... I'll crack over real quick. Hold on, I remember now. I totally remember already. What's it called? Where is the thing I need? Alright, let me stop. I can't sing. I mean, actually, I have the best singing ever. I'm just, you guys aren't worthy to hear it. I'm not cheating. I already knew it was called Gesture to Drowned. Anyway, I need to find the fuel cells as well. Gesture of the Drowned. Hey. There it is. Not too many, you know, just like one or two. By the way, we don't do any cheating here. I do not condone cheating. I hate cheaters. I would never, ever cheat. So anybody who says that is lying to you. Including your eyes. If your eyes tell you that you see cheating, they're lying. They're lying to you. They're deceiving you, and you should just take them out of your life. They are toxic. You don't have to deal with them. Oh yeah. Be independent. Be strong, or whatever. I'm just trying to talk so nobody gets bored while I find out where the fuel cell is. Where's the fuel cell? What does stack inventory do? Eh, whatever. Anyway. Spawn menu. Where is the fuel cell? Please, let me find it, please. Backup magazine, up the core, scarf, Marcus. Planet, crystal. Fuel cell, please. I'm gonna feel stupid if it's not even called fuel cell, but I'm pretty sure it is. Multiple perforator. Fuel cell, there it is. I'm gonna drop it on the floor just so I want to see the pretty greens. The loot goblin has needs. None of you will understand. There. One day you young goblins will understand the loot goblin need for the glow. So shiny. So nice. Oh god. I kinda wanna see this happening to an enemy. But instead we have much more important things to move on to. Uh-oh. I wasn't even trying yet. Come on. You can't get out that early. That's no fun. Boys and girls, I didn't even mean to yet. I was gonna pick up the overloading essence and click once and have the game crash, but I guess the missiles did it for me. I don't quite know what to say besides that was another video by Confined Yeti, aka Fame Sensei. Ahaha. Another series coming up. Whoa! Wow. What do you know? It powered through. Where am I? Oh god. I just realized you can teleport with this thing, and since I have that many stuff, there's no cooldown. I'm teleporting into and possibly through a wall right now at the speed of light.